Imagine this. Every single day, you wake up a little stronger, a little smarter, a little more fluent in English. You sit down with a book, not just any book, but a graded reader level 2. And within minutes, you're lost in a story, your mind expanding, your language skills growing naturally. No stress, no confusion, just a calm, confident rhythm of learning. Because when you choose to educate yourself daily, you don't just learn English, you transform your entire way of thinking. So today, let's uncover the secret to improving your English fluency, one simple daily habit at a time. Welcome, my friend. This is your moment. Your journey toward real English fluency begins right now. And no, you don't need expensive classes or complicated grammar drills. All you need is consistency, curiosity, and a little bit of courage. You see, the phrase, educate yourself daily, isn't just a saying, it's a mindset. It's about committing to growth every single day. It's about reading, listening, and feeling the language as part of your everyday life. That's where the Graded Reader Level 2 comes in. It's your bridge between beginner and fluent. It gives you stories simple enough to understand, yet rich enough to challenge your brain. And when you read just a few pages daily, you begin to think in English, effortlessly, naturally, beautifully. Let's start with the first step, choosing your book. Don't pick something because it's educational. Pick something that excites you, a mystery that keeps you guessing, a romance that warms your heart, a travel story that takes you far from your daily routine. The best graded readers are not textbooks, they're experiences. Each one is carefully written with limited vocabulary, around 600 to 800 words. But those words are powerful. They're the words you'll use in real conversations, in real life. If you can, find a version with audio. When you listen while reading, you begin to connect written English with the rhythm of spoken English. That rhythm will shape your fluency like music shapes melody. Now let's talk about consistency. 10 minutes a day. That's it. 10 focused minutes. Not scrolling, not multitasking, just reading. When you build this daily habit, your brain starts expecting English. It becomes your comfort zone. If you miss a day, don't panic. Just return the next day and continue. Fluency isn't a race, it's a rhythm. You fall, you rise, you keep going. Track your progress. Use a calendar. Every day you read, put a small check mark. Those little marks are proof of your discipline, your growth, your journey. Reading is not about speed, it's about connection. When you read, pause, underline new words, whisper the sentences. Let your tongue feel the sound of English. Every word has energy, every phrase has a rhythm. When you read actively, your brain remembers not just the meaning, but the emotion behind it. Predict what happens next. Challenge your mind. What will this character do? Then check if you are right. That small moment of curiosity multiplies your memory power. After finishing a page, summarize it aloud. Use your own words. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be yours. Now imagine you have the audio version. Press play. Let the narrator's voice wash over you. Feel the tone, the pauses, the emotion. Follow along with your eyes, matching each word to the sound. Then press pause and repeat aloud. Yes, out loud. Your voice is your most powerful learning tool. When you repeat what you hear, you train your mouth, your muscles, your breath to move like a native speaker. It's not imitation, it's transformation. Soon the sounds of English won't feel foreign, they'll feel familiar. Next time, Try recording yourself. Pick one small paragraph. Read it slowly, clearly, confidently. Then listen back. Compare it with the narrator's version. Where do you sound strong? Where do you need more flow, more rhythm? That simple act, recording, listening, adjusting, is one of the fastest ways to improve your fluency, because you begin to hear yourself the way others hear you, and awareness leads to mastery. Let's add a few quick exercises to keep your progress alive. Write down 5 new words after each session. Make sentences with them. Use them in your daily thoughts. Take one sentence from your reader. Rewrite it differently. For example, he walked quickly to the station. Change it to, he rushed to the station. You just learned variation, a sign of fluency. Or cover a paragraph and try to retell it in your own words. That's active recall, and it builds lasting memory faster than simple reading. At the end of each week, take 5 minutes to look back. See how many new words you remember. Read an old passage again. Notice how much smoother it feels now. That's growth. That's progress. Reflect on your week. What made you curious? What made you struggle? Every answer brings you closer to understanding how you learn best. Maybe you'll realize you love reading in the morning sunlight, or that listening before bed helps you dream in English. Follow what feels right. That's your personal rhythm of learning. Don't learn alone. Share your journey. Talk about your book with a friend. Tell them what happened in the story in English. Join a small online community or group. You'll be amazed how much your confidence grows when others listen. When you teach what you learn, you double your knowledge. Write a post or comment online. I'm reading a graded reader level 2 book. Today I learned 5 new words. That single sentence tells the world I'm growing, I'm evolving. When you finish one book, don't stop. Choose another. Each new story gives you new patterns, new vocabulary, new expressions. And when level 2 starts to feel easy, celebrate. That means you're ready for level 3. That's how you level up naturally, without pressure, without confusion. Each day you read, you're not just learning English, you're building confidence, patience, and identity. Because fluency isn't about knowing every word, it's about feeling at home in the language. So remember this, you don't need to study for hours. You don't need perfection. You just need consistency. Pick up your graded reader level 2. Read for 10 minutes. Listen, repeat, record, reflect. And most importantly, educate yourself daily. Because the person who learns a little every day becomes unstoppable. The person who reads today leads tomorrow. You have the power. You have the tools. You have the story. Now it's time to begin. If this journey speaks to your heart, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Because together, we'll keep growing, learning, and building your best English-speaking self every single day. Educate yourself daily, believe in your voice, and never, ever stop learning.